Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at newly launched crypto exchange whereby you earn free USDs by just mining this project. This is an exchange. This Swapfone will be launched on September. It is a kind of doing test, but not like testness. I know a lot of us are disappointed on the way airdrop are going, but I encourage you guys to keep on clicking. Keep on clicking till you hit that dollars that you are looking for. So this particular exchange, you are going to mine it and earn free USDs in your wallet. So I'm going to walk you through on how to get started. But before we dive in fully, if you're here to subscribe to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So channel, WhatsApp group, our Telegram channel for high value content. So once you click on it, on the link, you can now see you follow these steps to install the app. Here they say the first step is to click on these three dots. Look at these three dots in the right corner browser. Then you scroll down, you click to add to home screen. Then you can now see open swap from your home screen, where you can now, it's either you open it in your home screen or you download whichever one that is suitable for you. So look at it here. So you have to click on this. You have to click on these three lines. Once you tap on the three lines, you can now see add to home screen. Tap on it. Over here you can now see install. You can now say install or create shortcuts. So whichever one that is suitable for you, you can decide to create shortcut, whichever one you do that. Once you create the shortcut, the next thing to do is to log in with your Chrome. You're going to log in with your Chrome. Use your Chrome to log in. So I've already logged in, so you can now see here log in with Chrome. So you click on login with Chrome. So once you click on login with Chrome, you have to select any email you want to use. You select it and automatically you have logged in with your Chrome. So looking at it, I've started mining right now, and you can now see that this is, you mine every 24 hours and the current hash rate is 1.1 USDs per hour. So in 24 hours you are getting 24 USDs free of charge. So if you go back to wallet here, this is where you are going to see the token, the total balance I just started today, and you can now see withdraw coming soon. Withdrawal is coming soon, and you can now see the mining session. You can follow them on. This is where you send and receive. So this is also the crypto. You are going to, all your activities you are going to earn here, you are going to earn it here. You are going to see your Swapfone balance USDT here, and that is it. So once you start mining, you'll be accumulating Swapfone in your wallet. So basically what you need to do is just to be active, be on daily checking, and end that point. Before September, you are going to accumulate points if you are active. So coming to the home section, this is where you locate the mine. You can now see here, click, you will see your own mine. Click on mine and automatically you start mining. Here is the exchange. If you tap on this side, you can now see the exchange, the airdrop, the referral, the market, everything you need to know is here. Over here down, this is the market, whereby you can buy any coin of your choice. So this is just an avenue for you to earn. Don't be tired of clicking. Keep clicking till you get what you want. Now coming back to the home section here, you have to follow them on X to know more about it. Follow them on X and also join their Telegram channel. Now clicking over to this place, you can now see the everything you need to know. This is the home, the market, the wallet. Now let's look at the white paper. We tap on this white paper. Now this is the Swapfone mobile cess and stablecoin mining with USDs. So this is it. Take your time and read more about it. They say mobile exchange, 24/7 trading, account creating and authentication, and every other thing. Just take your time and read more about the Swapfone. Now this is the tokenomics and the supply and every other thing. Just take your time. The roadmap, they say Q3 2024 mining closes, mainnet launch, withdrawal opens. Q4 launch staking future launchpad Q1 2026 begin swap pay and real world integration. So take your time and read about it. Now let's follow them on their X account and know how far they have gone so far. Now let's click on follow. You can follow them on both. So coming here, this is the Swapfone. You have to follow them. Just click on follow here to follow them and be getting their latest updates. So look at their latest update. Never settle, never stop building. How much USD have you mined? So new listing alerts, follow them. And they are also doing new listing alerts. Swapfone will officially list SIPEN on its exchange. So on July it has passed. That's for yesterday. I received this message yesterday, but I have not started mining the Swapfone. So that's why I overlooked. So you can now go and participate to earn SIPEN in their exchange by just joining and do the necessary tasks. Take your time and read it and know the criteria for receiving the SIPEN. So thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.